And so now you can see that we are in the simulation. Hopefully my audio is a little bit better since I'm just screen recording this. I did add a table, not my own table, I didn't make it, I added it from here. There's this nice little Gazebo app, and this is for my Open Robotics, so I want to thank them for that. It did take a while because I had to do some custom collision on the top to get this cube to actually stay on there. This cube is modeled after a 3D printing sort of calibration cube. I think it's literally called the calibration cube. And that's what I'll mainly be using for just moving stuff around and picking it up. And I really am trying right now to get the physics interactions right with this calibration cube. And, well, I mean, other than what I worked on today, which was just getting this Gazebo simulation set up, I also worked on getting an easier to use kind of interface for sending commands. I now have a Python script that will send those super long commands in my previous videos so that the robot will actually move. And what I want to be working on in the future is physics interactions. I want to see how this robot interacts with this cube and make sure it's able to lift it up, move it around, drop it off, pick it up, stuff like that, and kind of debug that and make sure that's all looking correctly. Because I'm going to send this command now and you'll be able to see what it does, but it's going to lower the arm, so when this moves over here it pushes the cube, but there is a problem here, and the problem is actually that I had set it to go this is 180 degrees in radians counterclockwise, so it's supposed to go all the way over to here. It's supposed to be or parallel to that. But as you can see, it kind of stopped at this, kind of halfway point because I think the cube is pushing back into it, and for some reason it interrupted the control of the robot. And that's what I'll be working on next, but it was nice to play around with simulations, and it was nice to get a Python script running so that I can load up a bunch of commands and then have it just be able to do that without me fiddling with a super long command line interface nonsense garbage. But we're making progress, we're making steady progress, and things are going pretty well. So hopefully we'll get all this physics interaction nonsense figured out easy, but just who knows. We'll see what happens.